नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ स्टॉक मार्केट का बारे में और स्टॉक मार्केट लाइफ। सेंसेक्स रेज्ड 150 PTS, निफ्टी अबव 25,250, मेटल, ऑयल एंड गैस, ऑटो शेयर गेन। Sensex today stock market live updates witness this sectoral market trade on a mixed notes with the Nifty consumer durable, FMCG, PSU bank, private bank, IT pharma and a realty index trading slower. Stock market live updates 1 p.m. market updates. Stock market live updates at 1 p.m. The BSE Sensex was trading at 82,310, higher by 130 points or 0.16%, while the Nifty 50 was 46 points or 0.18% higher at 25,279. Stock market live updates. Real estate stock phase January. Silly has the index sneak 10% time to buy. Stock market live updates. Profit booking in real estate stock which break the Nifty Realty Index by 16.5%. Calendar year 2025 has extended into CY 2026 as well. Thus far in January 2026, the Nifty Realty Index has slumped 9.5%. With most index constituents hitting 52-week low. By comparison, the benchmark Nifty 50 index has slipped 3.5% during this period till January 20. The Nifty Realty Index has declined nearly 10% so far in January 2026. Nifty Realty Index declined 2026. Profit booking in real estate stock, which dragged the Nifty Realty Index by 16.5% in calendar year 2025, has extended into the calendar year 2026 as well. Thus far in January 2026, the Nifty Realty Index has slumped 9.5%, with most index concentration dating 52-week low. By comparison, the benchmark Nifty 50 index has slipped 3.4% during the period till January 20.